Hello my digital nomads, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you a new method to record a 10-hour video, or how to loop a 10-hour video. Alright, and for those of you who don't know, this is the video I created originally, and a lot of people found success with it. Some people haven't, some people say it changed, some people say it hasn't. I'm going to show you a new method that's easier than this method, and it works because I just tested it out. So let me show you the second method. This new updated method is called loop video, but I'll leave a link down below so you can go ahead and check it out. And what you do is you simply upload. It only does one thing, which is great. You upload the file that you want to. You can either do it from Google Drive, Dropbox, or from a URL, or you can do it from your computer, which is what I'm going to do. All right, so I'm going to go to desktop. I'm going to just use this random file. Let me use this one instead. Okay, and then basically it's a web-based tool, so you wait for it to upload. All right, so while it's uploading, I will continue talking about the benefits of this tool and why it's great, because it's really good. It's a web-based tool. You don't have to download anything, like I said earlier. But the other thing is, it's not complicated. You don't need Photoshop. You don't need to download and install any kind of questionable software, and you don't have to really game anything or reduce the video quality. All you have to do is just make whatever video you like, whether it's a 30-minute video, 1 hour. You want to make a 10-hour video. It would help if you could make it. It would help if you could make a 1-hour video. But if you can't, you can always make a 10-minute video and then use this method to expand it. And then once you download that video, re-upload that video, and then go ahead and expand it again if you want to. All right, that's the only caveat. All right, but this is a very easy to use interface. So let me pause this video quick, so while we're waiting for this to load, and then once it's done, I'll show you the next step. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's done. It's basically just your video, the full length of it. In this case, it's about 1 minute and 32, and you're using the loop. All right, and then basically you could choose to loop it twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. You can play it. I like custom. All right, so you can do, let's see, 10, 11, let's see, we're gonna go with 20. No. What is the highest you can go? It seems like the highest you can go is 16. Yeah, oddly enough. Yep, 16 is the highest you can go. All right, so keep that in mind. All right, I just had to play around with it. All right, so 16 for custom. And basically, let's just say this is a minute. It'll turn this into a 16-minute video. And what do you want to do for an hour? Well, then you take the 16-minute video and you multiply it again by 16. You keep doing it all the way until you get up to 10 hours. All right, I'm just going to do it one time so you can see, all right, how easy it is. I know people might be complaining. All you have to do is just click on save once you go ahead and wait for it to encode. And I want to pause it real quick so you can we can move on to the next step. Okay, so right now it's currently at 93% and it's almost done. I'm just gonna wait a few seconds so you can see what it looks like. And from here, all you have to do is click on save, and you'll see it download over here. All right. So once it's downloaded, I'm gonna go ahead and play the video, because you got a lot of people who I don't know, they're just skeptical of everything. So let me just take it all the way through, make sure you see me downloading it, make sure I play the video, and therefore you can see it like it's legit. Okay, now while we're on this topic, I don't own this asset, I don't own this website. I just found it and I found it helpful, so I'm sharing it with everyone. If this happens to change later on with the recording, you're gonna have to take the issue up with the website owner. Okay, not myself. I don't own this I don't own this asset. So please bear that in mind. If you have any questions, if you have any issues, that you go to this site and ask them to fix it for you. Okay, don't come to me. It's easy. You're gonna be wasting time, all right? Because I'm not gonna know nearly as much as the person who created this asset right here. Okay, so we're gonna let it download for a bit, and I'll get back to you, and we'll. Oh, it's almost done. Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna let it run for maybe a little bit longer. Get back to you, and then you can see that it actually works. All right, so now the video is finished downloading. I'm going to open it.
I just finished my 1 year YouTube.
Okay, and you can see that it is 24 minutes. Okay, so it's looped it several times, and now it's 24 minutes long. All right, so there's the proof. I practice what I preach. It works. Okay, it's free and it's easy to use. Now things can change later on, but please, like I said earlier, if you have any issues, go to the link that I leave in the description below, as well as if you have any comments or questions or concerns, or if you if you just want to see other stuff, then go ahead and leave it down in the comments and let me know. All right, so I hope this video was helpful, and if you did find it a little bit helpful, could you please hit the like button, as it would let the algorithm know that this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.